Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and welcome to another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And it is a dark, stormy, rainy day here in western Washington State in the United States. It's rainy. You've heard that Seattle's rainy? Well, it is, especially this time of year. So, what do we have today? Well, we've got something from Yamamoto Flour Milling Company. We have a spicy Tonkotsu. This was found in an Umai Crate. This came out of the November 2018 Umai Crate. Thank you to Umai Crate for sending this along. And if you use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, you get a discount. So go check out Japan Crate, Umai Crate. I've got unboxing videos, you'll see them. Anyways, my nose has just been bugging me since I got up. God, sorry. So here is the bowl without labeling. Some fracas up there. And then here is the liquid base, which will go on after the 3 minutes of time. So I'm going to add the liquid that was boiling. And I'm going to cover up like with this. Look at that. And it is 1, 2, 3 minutes. Oh. I've had like itchy, rubby eyes and my nose. It's just like my nose will be runny and it's like in the same spot. I guess it like just likes to run out of my nose in the same spot. And it gets like angry. And so I'll wake up in the morning and it'll be like, and I'll bump my nose a little bit. It'll be like, ah! Or my eyes will get like, it's like my eyes get all goobery and nasty. You know, I'm telling you this while I'm cooking food, but, yeah, and it's like this morning, I was like, oh, I got goobers in my eye, and trying to pick them out. And it's like I pull on my eyelashes, and it's like my eyelids are so chapped that it felt like, kind of like if you had chapped lips, and it does it on my eyelids sometimes. It's horrible. Absolutely horrible. I don't care for it. Not one bit. But hey, what can you do? Had our daily walk. Me and Miriam walked a little bit extra today. I think we walked closer to 2.5 miles. Cool. Got some cooking spray, which was definitely needed for the fancy eggs that I do. So that's cool. Always have to, I mean, it's hard for me to go anywhere unless I have like a central purpose. I'm like that. I don't like to just go for a stroll for the sake of a stroll. That's like a very rare thing for me. Oh, let's just go walk and look at things. It's like, no, if I'm going out, I'm going out because I need to actually bring something back. I forage. I guess that's the deal. Anyways. But yeah. Cool. And who was it? Guy was, and I can't even remember what the term was. Called like unnecessary grunting or something. He was saying that like there's a technical term for when I'm like things like that. There's like a technical term, and the background music is nice because it doesn't like break up the video. So I put those in on purpose. I emerged from a fibrous husk. I'm a cybernetic being. You have to understand, this is all machine learning right here. This is all AI. So the fact that you're watching it proves that the there we go. We have our noodles are noodled. Looks noodly. Sure. And now the liquid. And the trick. So, noodles like this have generally not been my favorite. I mean, I'm looking at them right now and I'm thinking, you're spongy. You are spongy noodles. Usually the trick with noodles like this is a little more time. But it's been 3 minutes. And this is Tonkotsu. I'm gonna guess, honestly, this looks a lot like, God, what's that brand? You know what I'm talking. They've got it here in the US. Shirikiku or JFC distributes it. I don't remember. Okay. That was better than I thought it would be. Nice little bite to it. The broth. That works. I don't have a problem with that. It gives me the feeling that it is a tonkatsu, a spicy one. I don't know how keen I am on the style of peppering that they're doing, but it'll work. It almost tastes, what do you call it? Like a pepper extract, honestly. Which seems like really not necessary in something like this, but some people. Okay. Oh, you can do better than that. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to add in, the first thing we're going to do is go for this egg action, because, you know, it looks like the deal is I've got to maybe make eggs every day, because they worked well yesterday for the most part. But here is in the fridge after 24 hours. Well, that worked well. I wasn't expecting that to go so well. My scissors. There you go. Get over there with your egg friend. That one looks like Batman. Come on, prop up a little. Can't have no lazy egg over here. You know, I do like that broth. It's really not that bad. And some mung bean sprouts. I'll be liberal with them because, well, I am a liberal. Ha 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 ha. And, oh, of sesame and some. We have some shichimi togarashi. It's a spicy stuff from Japan. I think it actually is really nice, especially with tonkotsu. So we're adding some of that. I think I'm going to call it a day with that. So yeah. Well, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Goku Uma. That's what this reminds me of, is Goku Uma brand. So, the yellow one. Have a good one. Bye.